Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So welcome to a new Cardano brand video, my brother. And this time, absolutely, Cardano is completely on the trending. Absolutely, all holders are starting holding, and definitely at the end of month, my brother, holders are starting investing more and more. And definitely, my friend, you can see here the average, the percentage, everything is starting increasing now. So congratulations, Cardano holder. It's a proper time. Don't miss any second, any minute, any hour, and any day, my brother, because if you miss it, if you said it, so therefore, my brother, you are completely lost and you cannot get a profit, my brother. In the last 10 days of every month, every coin, my friend, will take a very huge jumps now, huge pumps now, and completely go in the moon. So this time, absolutely, Cardano is also, my friends, going starting moving upward. And definitely you can see here the chain last 7 days, so that's mean to in last 7 days 1.72% they are in the profit now. And you can see your last 24 hours, so 1.68% they're moving upward. Chain last 1 hour 1.06%. Definitely it's a very good now. And you can see the price come to 1.22 USD dollar. I hope they will hit 2 USD dollar just in only at the end of month, but this is possible if a holders are holding, and they will take a, my friend, they will take a very huge pumps now. So just in all the, my friends, check out the chart result. So this chart is good, as you can see, my brother, especially in the start of this week, my brother, they will starting moving upward now. You can see here Wednesday 21 to my friend, you can see here Sunday, absolutely they will move upward completely, hour by hour, minute by minute. And the resistance line, as you can see here, come out here, so that's time they are in upward, so that's mean to they are in the profit. Cardano holder, congratulations, my prediction is completely gonna be positive now. I hope in upcoming time they will moving more and more upward, but just in only a few holds, so I hope they will move upward. Otherwise they are completely lost now and they cannot moving upward now. So kindly holders, hold it. I hope, my brothers, they will move upward, but just in only that's need to you hold. So thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative videos.